Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start PowerPoint Chapter 3 Simulation Training. It's a graded project of Microsoft PPT class. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly summits, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. On slide 4, select the first picture in the upper left corner. Okay, on slide 4 in the upper left corner, I have selected and then select each of the remaining picture in the first row. Move the bottom right corner and selecting the remaining image in the bottom. Okay. Picture caption list. Okay. I can show you how it works. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly summits, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Select all picture like this one you can see here. Okay, and then in picture format, picture layout and select the bending picture caption list. Okay, here you can see I have done this modification. Now I am going to move. Okay, it's a very easy. Select all picture like this and then picture format. Okay, type max in the first bullets and shadow as the second bullet. Okay, and type Lily in the fourth bullet. Okay, I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly summits, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to develop coordinate for you. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly summits, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. On slide 4, change the smart art layout for the title picture block. The picture smart art layout, Gary. Okay. Change the smart art layout to the title picture block. Title picture block. I can show you. It's very easy. Today I am going to do the PowerPoint Chapter 3 simulation training.
Click the Smart Art border.
Okay.
Select all shapes in the Smart Art diagram.
Select this one.
On the Smart Art design
And
tab,
in here, more layout and the picture.
Of the in the
And you can see here the title picture block and then OK. I am going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly summits, weekly exam. Okay, smart art. The picture smart art title picture block. Title picture action list. I can show you.
Click the
click
Smart
this
Art
one,
border on the Smart
then
Art Design
here
tab in the Layout.
more layout. Okay, I am going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam, weekly quizzes, more layout, and in the picture layout. On slide 4, apply the intense effect smart art style graphic style. Okay. On slide 4, apply the intense effect smart art style intense effect. On slide 4, change the color of the smart art graphic to colorful accent color. First option. On slide 7, apply the intense effect. Okay, now I'm going to move for the slide 7. First row, okay. On slide 7, apply the intense effect smart art style to the smart art diagram. Okay. On slide 7, change the color of the smart art graphic to colorful accent color. I have completed this question. Now I'm going to move for my next question. After the crudely shape, add a shape containing the text okay to the smart art graphic. Now you can see here I'm going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need institution of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grade for them. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need institution of any Microsoft class. Okay. After the cruelty shape, add a shape containing the text. Okay. I can show you how we can add a shape after the last shape.
On slide.
Here you can see add a shape,
Transfer from another
type
facility.
transform and under facility. Okay. Now you can see here after the cruelty shape add a new shape. Click this one. Add shape and type TRANSFER from another facility FACAILATY. Okay. Recorded the shaper with text transfer from another faculty, so that's become the second shape in the smart art graphics. Okay. Now I'm going to move for the recorder.
With the transfer.
Here you can see move up, move up. Okay. Now we are going to move up the last. Okay. With the four shapes text selected shape the arrow pentagons. Okay. Now we can move for another. I am dealing with all classes, simulation training, simulation exam. Okay, select this one. Okay, and then select third one and Fourth one.
With the 4 shapes with text selected, click the Format tab.
1, 3rd and 4 and shape are
In
made.
the Shapes group, click Change Shape. Click the arrow, Pentagon, second row,
And
column
the
7
shape
under Block Arrows.
change to arrow pentagon. Okay. Here you can see with the 4 shape with text selected, in the format, change the shape of the arrow to pentagon column 7 under block arrow. Now I am going to move for my next question. On slide 9, insert a 3 column 5 row table. Insert a table with 3 column and 5 row. 3 column and 5 rows table. Okay. Enter the text workshop into the first cell of the first row. Workshop into the okay. Press tab. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. Position the insertion point in the 4th row with the text vacation on the layout tab in the row and the column group. Click insert above. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation exam, simulation training, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Position the insertion point in the 4th row. Position the insertion point in the 4th row with the text vacation on the okay. I can show you how it works. I am dealing all simulation training. Okay, 4th row you can see here, and layout for the 4th row is
On the Layout tab in the Rows and Columns group, click Insert above.
insert above. Okay, now you can see here position of the insertion point in the 4th row, text vacation on the layout in the row. Okay. Okay. Enter the text responding to pet emergencies into the first cell. Okay, now I'm going to enter responding RSPONDI to pet emergencies. Position to the first insertion point in the first column on the layout tab in the row and to the column group insert left. Position to the insertion point into the first column.
Click in the first cell in the first column of the table.
Select this one and insert left. It's okay. I can show you how we can insert column, rows on the different position. By help of this simulation, select the first one and insert left. With the first column of the tab selected, merge and the cells. I can show you how we can merge the cells. With the first column of the table selected,
With the first
Merge cell simply, you can see here we are going to merge the cell in all. Okay. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Excel. Just text me through WhatsApp or email with the table on the slide 9 selected. Change the width of the first column to 0.9. Change the with the table on the slide 9 selected. Change the width of the first column to 0.9. Okay, now I'm going to move for my next question. On slide 9, apply the light style 2 as and 4 in the light group to the table. Now I'm going to apply the table style. Apply the light style 2 as and 4. On slide 9, apply the light style 2 as and 4. Okay, now you can see here I'm going to do this one. I'm dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, select the table. Already selected in the table design. Apply the light style to SN4. SN4 on the light.